Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've posted. I've been taking a break and during this time the Pixel 9a was released. So here I am to unbox it for you guys. I made a poll and asked which is your favorite color and nearly half of you picked iris. So today I'll be unboxing the Pixel 9a in the iris color. I love that every Pixel 9a has a phone case available in their same color so you can match a case to the phone perfectly. Without a doubt, I chose the Pixel case in the matching iris color, which you can find in the Google Store online. I really like the look of this case. Super simple and it feels super cushiony and soft. This phone case is made of silicone and PC plastic, it's not too thick and not too thin, and I think it fits super well in the hand. It's super easy to put on, which can be a deal breaker sometimes if they're too difficult to even get on in the first place. They kind of remind me of the Samsung silicone cases if you're familiar with those. And I really like those ones, so if you did too, then you'll like these. One of my favorite things about this phone is the affordability. This phone costs $499, but I wouldn't say it's bound to only mid-tier features. It has a built-in VPN, which can be very useful for keeping your browsing private. Some people actually spend hundreds of dollars a year on a VPN service, but Google actually provides it for free. It is a more toned down version, but it is free and you are saving money. This phone surprisingly has a really bright display. When I was using this phone outdoors, I had zero issues seeing the screen. One thing I will say though is that it can also get really dark too. This might sound like a bad thing at first, but I actually really like this. It's good for when I'm having a wind down time before bed and I'm using my phone. If the screen isn't dark enough, I tend to have trouble falling asleep and the brightness hurts my eyes. Speaking of the display, why is the bezel kind of big? The only complaint I have of the display is the wasted space around the edges. Otherwise, the colors are very nice and the brightness is very nice. When I unboxed the Samsung Galaxy S25, I really liked the Gemini AI assistant. And this phone has it too.
Yay!
It can do way more than the assistant we're used to, like only telling you the time or setting an alarm. Gemini can help you study, come up with creative ideas, plan stuff, and much more. AI on this device is pretty intuitive, and if you're used to using something like ChatGPT, this is quite similar, but it's built right into the phone. Hey, can you help me come up with a new YouTube video?
Sure, I can help with that. What kind of videos do you usually make? Knowing your style will help me suggest something you'll enjoy creating.
I make tech unboxing videos and reviews.
Got it, tech unboxings and reviews. Those are always popular. Since it's 2025, have you considered doing a video on the latest foldable phones? Those are getting really interesting.
There are other AI features built in too, like generating your own wallpaper from a few words, which is a feature I think is very useful and fun. And the best part is, it's all free. Now let's talk about the camera. The camera is quite good, pictures come out quite vibrant and clear. There's again a few new AI features built into it like Add Me, where you can take two photos and merge them together as if they were taken at the same time. So these are some photos I've taken with the camera so far and they turned out pretty nice. I think the camera is pretty good for a budget-friendly phone. What do you guys think? Now let's talk gaming. I'm just gonna say it, I don't love gaming on this phone. I tried running two different games on this phone, Genshin Impact and League of Legends Wild Rift, and while playing either of these games, I did experience a slight lag. Some people may argue that this phone is not meant for gaming, but I do think it's important to see what a phone can and cannot handle. I wouldn't say it's impossible to game on this phone, it was just not comparable to a flagship device that would be more capable of running extensive games. I will be including some footage of me gaming on this device. Generally, the lag is hard to tell in the footage, but I definitely felt it while gaming. Aside from the lag, colors of the games were very nice, and I wouldn't say the phone overheated while gaming either, which is a really good sign for a device that's priced at $499. It did get hot, but I wouldn't say it overheated, so that's a good sign. I must say though, getting hot is pretty normal as more expensive phones get hot too. So is this phone worth it? Yes, for $499 it's hard to complain about this phone. The 120Hz screen, super bright display, water resistance, built-in VPN, Gemini, great camera, and the possibility of running extensive games seems pretty worth it for me. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share this video.